Hello everyone, I'm Zahra Fatima. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you the important questions subject business law and ethics for MBA semester 2 students of Osmania University. Now in this video, I covered all the important questions from unit 1 to unit 5. Short and long questions you will find in this video only. So on screen you can see unit 1 short questions. Under that, define contract, explain the essential features of a valid contract, define agreement, explain the differences between contract and agreement, capacity to contract, consideration, coercion, quantum merit, quasi contract, special damages, vindictive damages. So these are the important questions from unit 1 short questions. So students, like and share this video with all your friends so that it helps to you and your friends for the preparation of your upcoming examination. And students, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel so that future notifications related to my future videos will come to you directly. Now unit 1 long questions. All contracts are agreement but all agreements are not contract. Explain. This is very important. Define contract and the valid contract. What are the essential elements of a valid contract? This is also very important. Define contract. Explain the types of contract. What is consideration? What are the legal rules for valid consideration? This is also very important. Define performance of contract and breach of contract. What are the remedies for breach of contract? This is also very important. What do you mean by the term damages? State the various for awarding damages under breach of contract. So students, these are the 6 questions from unit 1 and these questions are very important. Students, share this video with all your friends so that it helps to you and your friends for the preparation of your upcoming examination. And very soon I'm going to upload the important questions of all the subjects. So students, stay connected with us, inform your friends about the channel, about the videos, about the upcoming videos so that it helps to you and your friends for the preparation. Students, subscribe my channel so that future notifications related to my future videos will come to you directly. Because very soon I'm going to explain you the problematic part of financial management also. So students, stay connected with us, inform your friends about the channel, about the videos, about the upcoming videos. Because this channel is yours channel. So students, inform your friends, share the videos, like the videos with all your friends. And on screen you can see the long questions from unit 1 and these questions are very important from your examination point of view. The first one, all contracts are agreement but not all agreements are contract. It's very important. And consideration and legal rules for consideration, this is also very important. And what are the remedies for breach of contract? This is also very important. So students, whatever question I'm sharing with you, these questions are very important. So start preparation from these questions and very soon I'm going to upload the videos for other subject important questions also. So these are the important questions from unit 1 subject business law and ethics for MBA semester 2 students of Osmania University. Students, very soon I'm going to upload the important questions of other subjects of your academics. So students, like and share this video with all your friends. Students, this channel is an educational channel. So students, it's your turn to make this channel grow strong and succeed. And that will be possible only when you like and share the videos with all your friends. So students, start your turn, like the videos, share the videos with all your friends. And very soon I'm going to explain the problematic part of the subject financial management and operation research also. So students, inform your friends about the videos, about the channel, and about the upcoming videos also, so that it helps to you and your friends for the preparation of your upcoming examination. And very soon I'm going to explain you the paper pattern also in my coming videos. So students, stay connected with us and don't forget to subscribe the channel also. Like and share the videos with all your friends, and give your valuable comments in the comment box also, and give your valuable suggestions also. Now on screen you can see unit 2 short questions. Under that, first is bailment, very important. Caveat emptor, very important. Pledge, differences between indemnity and guarantee, very important. Negotiable instrument, bills of exchange, differences between promissory note and bills of exchange. Goods under Sale of Goods Act, very important. Rights of an unpaid seller, types of crossing, pawnee and pledgee. So these are the important questions from unit 2, subject business law and ethics. From these, bailment is very important, caveat emptor is very important, differences between indemnity and guarantee is also very important, difference between promissory note and bills of exchange, this is also very important, types of crossing, pawnee and pledgee, this is also very important. So whatever questions I'm sharing with you, that questions are very important. Now unit 2, long questions. What is contract of agency? Explain its features. What are the duties of an agent to the principal? What are the rights against the principals? Second, define bailment, state its features, types of bailment, distinguish between bailment and pledge, very important. Define bailment, discuss the rights and duties of bailer and bailee, this is very important. Question number 3. Distinguish between indemnity and guarantee, very important. Write about Sale of Goods Act 1930, its essential elements and types of contract of sales. Define the term goods as per Sale of Goods Act. Explain the rights of an unpaid seller. This is very important. Define the term goods as per Sale of Goods Act. Explain the rights of an unpaid seller. This is very important. What are bills of exchange? That is also very important. Now unit 3, short questions. Quorum of meeting, very important. Minutes of meeting, prospectus, memorandum of association, article of association, extraordinary general meeting, statutory meeting. Define company, give classification of companies, qualification and disqualification of director. So these are the important questions from unit 3, and these are the short questions, and these questions are very important. So students, start your preparation from these questions, and like and share this video with all your friends also, so that it helps to you and your friends for the preparation of your upcoming examination. Unit 3, short questions. Under that, quorum of meeting is very important. Minutes of meeting is also very important. Then statutory meeting is also important. Prospectus, memorandum of association, or maybe he will ask you in the exam differences between memorandum of association and article of association. Very important. And statutory meeting is also important. Give the classification of companies is also very important. So these are the 9 questions from unit 3, and these are very important questions. So students, start the preparation from these questions. Like and share this video with all your friends. And still, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel, so that future notifications related to my future videos will come to you directly. and very soon I'm going to upload some more videos of your other subjects important questions also. So students, stay connected with us, like and share the videos with all your friends. Now on screen you can see the unit 3 short questions, and these questions are very important. Whatever questions I'm sharing with you, that questions are very important from your examination point of view. So students, share the video with all your friends also. And on my YouTube channel, all the information related to your academics are available. So students, for all the updates related to your academics and all the important questions, lectures, and many more updates related to your academics, please subscribe my channel so that future notifications related to your all academic information will come to you directly. And give your valuable suggestions in the comment box also. Hope this video will be helpful for you and your friends for the preparation of your upcoming examination. In this video, I covered all the important questions from Unit 1 to Unit 5, short questions as well as long questions. Now Unit 3, long questions. Define company, its characteristics and types. Explain the differences between private company and public company. It's very important. Explain the differences between private company and public company. Define memorandum of association and explain its clauses. Also explain the differences between memorandum of association and article of association. Question number 4, who are shareholders? Explain types of shareholders meetings. This is very important. How the directors of a company is appointed. Explain the qualifications and also disqualifications, right, powers and duties of a director. So this last question is also very important. How the directors of a company is appointed, its qualification, disqualification, rights, powers and duties, very important. And the differences between private company and public company is also very important. Now on screen you can see Unit 4 short questions. Under that, consumer councils. What is consumer redressal machinery in India? This is very important for long question also. State commission, district commission, and maybe he will ask you differences between state commission and district commission. Cyber law, very important. Define patents, copyright, trademarks, very important. Define intellectual property right, very important. Explain Industrial Dispute Act and Trade Union Act. Geographical indicators. Principle of subrogation, this is also very important. This question is from the topic insurance. So important questions from Unit 4 you can see clearly on your screen. So these 10 questions are very important from Unit 4, subject business law and ethics for MBA semester 2 students of Osmania University. Now Unit 4 long questions. Define consumer protection. Explain in detail Consumer Protection Act 2019. Very important. Define consumer. Explain rights of consumer as per the act. This is also very important. Explain briefly Payment of Bonus Act, Minimum Wage Act. Define e-commerce, e-governance, electronic record, digital signature certificate, very important. What is cyber law, its objectives and types, very important. What is contract of insurance, its basic concepts and fundamental principles. So these are the important questions from Unit 4 and these are the long questions. Under that, the first one is very important, second is also very important, and fifth is also important. What is cyber law? Now Unit 5 you can see on your screen, short questions. Under that, corporate social responsibility. This question is 100% important. Business ethics, its objectives, ethics versus morals. Explains laws regulating export and import, important question. International commercial arbitration, ad hoc arbitration, this is also very important. So students, these 6 questions are very important. From this, number 1, corporate social responsibility is very important. Ethics versus morals, very important. Ad hoc arbitration is very important. And explain laws regulating export and import, this question is important for short as well as long. International commercial arbitration, and most important, ad hoc arbitration. Now unit 5, explain the laws regulating, unit 5 long questions. Explain the laws regulating export and import. Define business ethics. Explain the need and justification of business ethics. Define corporate social responsibility, its scopes and provisions. Then fourth one, define international commercial arbitration, its essential features, process and legal framework. Write about different arbitral institutions, its advantages and disadvantages to international commercial arbitration. So question number 1, question number 5, and question number 3, very important from your examination point of view. So in unit 5 you have 5 questions, and these questions are very important from your examination point of view. So students, like and share this video with all your friends and stay connected with us, because very soon I'm going to upload some more questions for all your other subjects also. And students, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel so that future notifications related to my future videos will come to you directly. Students, inform your friends about the channel, about the videos, about the upcoming videos, so that it helps to you and your friends for the preparation. Thanks for watching the video. All the best.